Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Pick MP4 or MOV and set resolution to 1080p or 4K based on your card's speed. Insert a UHS Roman 2 or V90 SD or CFexpress card and format it inside the camera to avoid file errors. Next, switch the mode dial to manual so you control exposure. Choose a frame rate and set shutter speed using the 180-degree rule, roughly double the frame rate. Once done, set base ISO and white balance so exposure remains stable as you start recording. Now refine audio and focus. Attach a shotgun or lavalier mic and route through the camera or recorder. Set input levels so peaks hit around -12 to -6 decibels to avoid clipping. For focus, choose manual with focus peaking or use face detect continuous AF for run and gun. Zoom in to confirm critical sharpness before moving. Also plug in headphones and monitor live. Disable aggressive wind reduction unless you're outdoors and need it, because it can muffle dialogue. You're ready to record. Press the record button, confirm the red tally light and glance at the histogram to avoid clipping highlights. If possible, record to an external recorder or enable dual card slot backup so you have an immediate second copy. After each take, copy files to a laptop or drive as soon as you can. If something goes wrong, try formatting the card in camera, resetting shooting settings, or swapping batteries. Those quick fixes solve most common recording failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.